in. Your body gives you warnings in case of imminent cerebral infarction. One mistake that many young people comment today is to think that only adults can have a stroke. But the truth is that it is not so. Anyone without regard to sex or age is at risk of having a stroke. It turns out that sedentary people, with defects that harm your body, excess weight or activities have a tendency to suffer a stroke. This can happen to anyone. In this article we will give you to know what the symptoms are hidden after a cerebral infarction, so that you put a lot of attention and take care of your health. 1. Symptoms of a stroke. Stroke or stroke occurs when the blood stops somewhere in the brain. If the blood flow remains immobile for a few seconds, the brain will not receive nutrients or oxygen, so the cells will die, causing permanent damage to the person. 2. Types of cerebral infarction. Thrombotic vascular cerebrovascular attack occurs when a clot forms in one of the arteries. Embolic vascular brain attack. It happens when the clot attaches from another place and can reach the brain. Popularly known as embolism. Indicators that something is wrong. Headaches. High pressure. Pain in the shoulders. Headaches. Very stiff neck. Visual problems. Partial paralysis. Fatigue. Weakness or paralysis in the feet. 3. Dude. One side of your face falls. 4. Arm. Weakness in the arms and inability to raise them to the head. 5. Talk. You have difficulty modifying words. 6. Time. If you suffer from the symptoms we present to you, it is time to ask for help, otherwise the damage could be greater. Foods that help you avoid a stroke: carrots, avocados, tomatoes, Brussels sprouts.